great enthusiasm, but great knowledge and great excitement. And he's been a member of this organization from its inception. He is and is a community leader, someone who takes the community to heart. He's ever present for you. And I am talking about none other than Shiba Joe. Shiba Joe, please grace us with your presence and your enthusiasm. And I look forward to the surprise that you have for us at the end. Shiba Joe?
Thank you very much, Grace. Good evening, everybody. You always leave me with very big boots to fill, Grace. Let's jump in. So, okay, let's just get rid of that. Perfect. So, I'm bringing you this. Oh, I jumped to screen there. Look, I'm bringing you the next generation of affiliate operating system. That is 3FO, a powerful ecosystem that is built for the future of finance. What's inside 3FO is blockchain. We have our own blockchain, the BTC20 blockchain, where you can mine Bitcoin code using our special COD20 NFT miners. Now, Bitcoin code was our flagship product that we launched with almost 3 years ago now. And it is duplicating the core principles of Bitcoin. And Bitcoin code is at the heart of everything in our network and in our organization. But of course, our most recent product is Rift. And I'm going to be going into all of the details of Rift in just a few moments. First, let's have a look at an overview of our CEO. This is Chavez. He came and took over this community. Excuse me, sorry. 3 years ago. And he brought heart and he brought leadership and he brought vision. And he is the driving force behind this next generation of operating system, where he's bringing blockchain innovation, real world financial tools, and a sustainable yield system with a vision to create long-term scalable system where the community wins together. Now, it was only last year where there was a full page spread of Chavez and LquidPay, which is our own Visa crypto card, in Forbes magazine, and Forbes magazine has been guiding the financial world for over 100 years. He also won the Times Leadership Award and the Leaders in E-Business Award, all three in 2025. So you know that we have got a real visionary at the heart of this project. Now let's have a quick overview of 3FO's yield system. So everybody joins with an ignition pack and you earn an APY. So if you have BTCC, then you can earn enhanced yield. If you are brand new to our ecosystem and don't have BTCC, then you are guaranteed 2x return at a flat rate of 1% per week, 52% APY across the board on all of these panels. But if you're staking BTCC on a one-to-one basis, then 65% APY on the ignition pack at 1.25% a week. That's 3x return or 4x return if you're staking on a 1-to-2 basis, and that's 78% APY, 1.5% a week. The objective is to move through these panels, growing your weekly percentage, growing your Ethereum holdings, and growing your Ethereum wealth. And of course, we have this lending system that has been implemented to help you move through these panels faster. And this is where you can borrow against your package, interest-free, to enable you to upgrade to the next package. And you can also lend to 2 new people as well. So 3FO's investment system is all about creating Ethereum wealth. But as I said, we are here to talk about Rift. And Rift is the routing intelligence futures trading system. It is the next generation of future trading platform that combines intelligent routing, automated execution, and a non-custodial infrastructure to enable seamless trading across crypto, stocks, and commodities. Built on the Hyperliquid network, it delivers fast, transparent, and institutional grade institutional grade execution while keeping users in full control of their capital. Rift makes complex trading simple and easy. Now, Rift is a free Telegram mini app, which means you have global accessibility. Anybody can access Rift through Telegram absolutely free. You just give them your referral link and they can register in Rift absolutely free, and they can test it with a free lifetime demo account, $10,000 of virtual funding, and they can switch between demo and live manual trading anytime. And they can, of course, personalize their trading experience using leverage and individual risk options. And it's all at your fingertips. Or you could let Rift do the work for you. And you can put your profits on autopilot. by using the Rift Auto Trading Engine. Now, these are the licenses for the Rift Trading Engine. We have Microflow, SmartFlow, and AlphaFlow. Microflow is $100. Without BTCC staking, you can earn 2x through the 3FO affiliate model, or with BTCC staking, you can earn 3x through the 3FO affiliate income system. This gives you a stable, automated trading experience, low-level trades, low risk, and steady gains. SmartFlow is $500, and you can get 2x without BTCC staking or 3x with BTCC staking, and this is through the referral system, the affiliate system within 3FO. This is slightly more aggressive in its style of trading, slightly larger trades and slightly higher risk, and it brings slightly higher profits. And this is AlphaFlow, which is $1,000, and that gives you 2x return without BTCC staking or 3x return with BTCC staking. And this is through the affiliate model in 3FO. The income that you earn in Rift is independent and as well as. This is a much more aggressive style of trading, bigger trades, higher risk, but higher profits. Each of these licenses is valid for 365 days. Buy once, auto trade for 1 whole year. And users can purchase any Rift list license to activate their desired intelligent trading mode. And Rift license activation offers higher yield potential with boosted returns from BTCC staking. So how do you acquire a Rift license? Well, first, let's clarify that USDC is used, and when you deposit that, it becomes RUSD. So all deposits made in USDC on the base network will be automatically converted into RUSD for purchasing of a Rift license. And you can use any of these 3 methods. You can use 100% RUSD, or 80% RUSD and 20% from your Ethereum holdings, or 80% RUSD and 20% Capital 3.0 tokens. Now, how the Rift protocol generates income? Well, we have the builder's fee, and that is 0.03% is charged on every trade. So on a $1,000 trade, that's 30 cents. On a $10,000 trade, that's $3. And this fee powers all earnings. Remember, this is the referral income system within Rift, and is completely separate to the affiliate model of 3FO. These are 2 separate platforms. So the fee distribution is, in every $3, $1 is distributed to the network. So 66.7% goes to the platform, 33.3% goes to the network. This is earning from real trading activity, and this is about scalability and long-term sustainability. So on your referrals, this is how you earn. On your level 1, so every direct referral, you earn 25% commission. On your level 2, 6.25, level 3, 1.56, level 4, 0.39, level 5, 0.10. So for example, if you have someone who does a $10,000 trade, that fee is $3 and the network gets $1. So in a high volume scenario, you're looking at total fees of $150 a day, $375 of that goes to the platform, and that means you earn 25 cents per trade. Okay, so you are earning 25% on every direct referral. So it's obviously in your interest to get your referral link out there and bring in as many people as possible on your front line. Every trade creates income, so you can scale your income and you can scale your network. Now, 3FO is an affiliate marketing company, and that means that we have an affiliate marketing system. So by investing in an ignition pack, a COD20 miner, or a Rift auto trading license, and by staking BTCC, you can unlock hundreds of thousands of dollars of income potential by leveraging our uni-level income plan, where you can get paid up to 15 levels deep. So let's see how that works. So this is the income system for the affiliate model. So to activate your level 1, you need 2 active directs, $1,000 of business volume, which can be achieved by selling ignition packs, 21x miners, 2 10x miners, or Rift licenses, or a mix. And this qualifies you to earn 10% income commission. Level 2, 3 active directs, $1,500 of business volume, 5%, all the way down to 7 levels. So you have the ability to earn as many wide as you wish, down to 7 levels, and you can earn a massive income, and you can help others do the same. But if you really want to drive this business forward, then you can get paid 8 more levels by simply hitting the ranks. So when you hit rank 1, you get paid 8, 9, and 10. When you hit rank 2, you get paid 11, 12, and 13. And when you hit rank 3, you get paid 14 and 15. So the objective is to go a minimum of 20 people wide so that you can get paid a maximum of 15 levels deep. This is generating exponential income for you, because imagine being 100 people wide and being paid 15 levels deep every single one of them. This is a huge business opportunity for everybody, for anybody, no matter what your background is, what your education level is. You simply need to be willing to work and build a network. And of course, to reward you for that, we have a rank reward system to reward you, to reward those who've contributed the most to the growth of the community and the success of the company. In order to achieve ranks, you need the minimum number of active directs, minimum business volume, minimum team size, and you need to maintain 3 active legs on a 40-30-30 ratio. And to hit rank 10, you need 4 active legs. So this is the ranking system. For rank 1, you need 3 active members with and you need $15,000 of business volume, a team of 30, and you'll get $1,000 in USDC. For level 2, you need $45,000 and you'll get $3,000 of USDC. Rank 3, $125,000, and you'll get $5,000 of USDC. And if you're not familiar with USDC, USDC is a stable coin, just like USDT. Just across these 3 ranks, you're earning $9,000 in USDC. These 3 ranks, on these 3 ranks, these 3 business volumes need to be achieved from 100% Rift sales. And they have to be achieved on a 40-30-30 basis. And this is that system. So the $15,000, as an example, needs to be split across 3 legs on a 40%, 30%, 30% system. So that's 6,000, 4,500, 4,500. You still get paid on your entire business. It is only in order to achieve ranks that you need to build your business in a very strategic way. It's the same for these 2 ranks. Now, these ranks are all about building the foundations of your business, giving you a springboard to move through the remaining ranks. Because when you hit these ranks, these are all about leadership and your ability to help others to hit their ranks. So to hit rank 4, you need to help 3 people hit rank 3, and so on all the way across until you're ready to hit rank 10, where you've got to help 4 people to hit rank 9. And for that, you get rewarded in a huge, huge way. So when you hit rank 4, you get $10,000, then $25,000, $100,000, $500,000, $1 million, $5 million, $10 million in USDC. Imagine having that all sitting on your LquidPay Visa card, ready for you to travel, to do whatever it is that you wish to do. I mean, let's face it, even if you only hit rank 6, that's $100,000. Would that make a difference in your life? Would that change the way that you live? Would you pay off debts? Would you have more holidays?
Agora's conversational AI engine. Build and integrate your AI agent in minutes. Any model, any voice.
$1 of USDC. This is a great ranking system because it encourages balanced growth, drives leadership, unlocks millionaire rewards, and is 100% additive and never replaces your yield earnings. Now, I'm going to read out this page of the compensation plan terms and conditions. These are the main points. The following pages, I will allow a few seconds for you to screenshot and read at your leisure. So get your device ready to screenshot or locate the screenshot key on your keyboard. All earnings are calculated based on active subscriptions. Panels and sub-panels and BTCC subscriptions are payouts processed daily in Ethereum on the base network. Rift license payouts are processed daily in USDC on the base network. Yield is generated from Alpha AI Yield Performance Weekly. Every EUSD withdrawal is subject to a fixed 20% contribution to 3FO Ethereum Reserve with a 0% admin fee. Every RUSD withdrawal is subject to a fixed 5% admin fee. 20% of the total income in EUSD will be allocated to the 3FO Ethereum Reserve to strengthen asset backing, and this initiative is designed to deliver multiple benefits to the entire community. Internal transfers from Ethereum Holdings wallet or income wallet to the transfer wallet are subject to a 5% admin fee, while peer-to-peer fund transfers are subject to a 0% admin fee. To qualify for uni level, users must maintain the required number of active directs and BTCC staking. Rank rewards are paid once the criteria are met. Required minimum of number of active directs, minimum team size, minimum team business volume in RUSD only, and at least 3 legs in a 40-30-30 ratio. For rank 10, 4 legs are required. Panels and sub-panels income limits are applied per subscription based on the BTCC staking ratio. 2x without staking, 3x on a 1-to-1 basis, and 4x on a 1-to-2 basis. Rift license income limits are applied per subscription based on BTCC staking ratio. 2x with staking, without staking, and 3x with 1-to-2 staking. Users must follow all platform terms, stay compliant, and avoid manipulation or stacking. So please take a screenshot of this screen, this is basically telling you that all payouts are paid on a Wednesday for the 3FO investment, Ethereum investment system. Please take a screenshot of this and please read this at your leisure. Please take a screenshot here and read at your leisure. Please take a screenshot here and read at your leisure. And please take a screenshot here and read at your leisure. Thank you very much. That is Rift, making complex trading simple and fast. Back to you, Grace.
Joe, amazing. Thank you for that incredible presentation. And very motivating. The only question left here is how quickly and how do I sign up and how quickly do I do that? So get with the person who invited you today to get those questions answered. But Joe, before we go, I believe that you have something to share with us. Please do.
Yeah, let me share on my device now. Sorry, there you go. Okay, see my screen?
Oh, most definitely. That looks good.
Perfect. Okay, so this is just my results. We started on the auto trading bot on the 13th. So that's how many days ago? That's 2 weeks ago now. We saw. So I've obviously been reinvesting, and you can see that I've put in. What if I show you my deposits on here? That's history there. You can see these are my deposits here. So $44, 700 and something, 500 odd, another 500. I put 100 in today, and I've been using that for manual trading. So you can see those are my deposits. This is my manual trading that I've been doing here. So these are the trades that I've currently got open. And you can see at the moment mostly in profit. So that's 5%. Oops, let's close that. How do I close that? I didn't mean to do that. Oops, I've closed that trade. Didn't mean to do that. So you can see these are mostly in profit at the moment. That's 5% up, 4% up, 6.5% up, 4% up. So I'm just going to leave these and I'll let the AI look after those, and they'll either close in a profit or they'll close at a loss. So we'll have to see what happens with those. But this is my auto trading engine that you can see here. So you can see over the last 7 days, I'm 5.15% up. In the last 2 weeks, I've earned $207. So if you divide that by 13 days, because the first day doesn't count because there's a 24-hour cycle, and that works out at 15.92. So 15.92 a day that I'm making at this point here.
Great.
Okay, yeah, very, very good. If I scroll down, so you can see my reinvest option here, which is what I've been doing. I've been every day. I reinvest all my profits just to create compounding. And if you saw Carl's Excel sheet yesterday and on Friday, where he showed the power of compounding, if you're willing to practice delayed gratification, then you can just keep reinvesting, and you'll see how your profits can grow very quick. I've got 352 days left. Remember, your license is valid for 1 whole year. I've got $21 sitting here ready for me to reinvest. I'm not doing it now. I usually do it between 11 and midnight, my time, because I'll wait for make sure all my profits come in, so that I can just do one big reinvest rather than half a dozen little reinvests. Instead of doing, $3 or $4 $2 reinvestments, $3 reinvestments, I'm just letting it accumulate. And at the end of the day, I reinvest one lump sum.
And Joe, would you please speak to the change in the reinvest amount?
Yes. Thank you for reminding me there. So up till today, you could reinvest as soon as you had $1. That's now been changed to $10. So you need to allow your profits to build up to $10. Then you'll be able to reinvest. Minimum amount for reinvestment is now $10. I've got $14 sitting idle there, and I think that's in my other wallet. That's in the wallet for the manual trading.
Okay.
But yeah, so if you look down here, you can see, let's clear all those. You can see here, this is where it shows all your referral earnings. And so far I've earned $6. But that doesn't sound like a lot. But remember, as your community is growing on your front line, on manual trading, you're earning 25% on the fees on every single trade. In the auto trading, you are earning a percentage of the success fee that's charged on every single profitable trade. So if you imagine, if you've got 100 people in your community, frontline, or wherever across your community, then this can grow very quickly. You know, this can grow very, very quickly. But I don't, you know, I'm not doing anything. It's just $6. You're just sharing your link out to people. And you can see on the level 1, level 2 is $5 of that. So you can earn a massive income just from your referrals, especially on the manual trading. Oops, let's go up here. This is the recent activity. This shows everything in the last 45 transactions, trades, whatever it is. So if I click on that, and you can see that one, top one is my profit from a cycle on the $13.49, and then you've got all the referral bonuses. So all your referral bonuses come in here, and all your yield incomes come in here also. Okay, so you can see everything. And this was from 8:30 this morning, between 8:30 this morning, and the last one came in at 5:30 this afternoon. And I know there'll be a few more that'll come later on tonight on there. So if we look down, this engine, sorry, go on.
No, go ahead, finish.
So this is your engine activity here. So this shows all the trades that's been happening. And if I click on that and open that up, that shows the last 50. So any of these transaction hashes, so all of these are the transaction hashes for that particular trade. So you can go to the Hyper blockchain and you can see the details of that individual trade. So you can show anybody that you're sharing this link with, anybody that questions you, is this real? You can say, yeah, look, give them the transaction hash, go and look at it on the blockchain. It's there. So it's all there for you. Okay, anything you wanted to ask there, Grace, before I stop sharing?
Yes, please. If you would go, since you mentioned it, you said that you have, the majority of your funds and reinvesting with your Autobot, the auto engine. Could you please show us how you set up the manual trade? You say you have about $100 there. Could you
sure.
show us that? How did that happen?
So this is the manual trade option here, these little 2 arrows. That's the manual trade option. Let me just move that.
I'm sorry.
Now, this is just like a dating app. You either swipe to the right or you swipe to the left. If you want to accept the trade, you swipe to the right, or you swipe to the left if you don't want to accept the trade. So what's happening here is the AI is analyzing the market and it is generating a preset trade. So for someone who's not familiar with trading but wants to trade, but doesn't know how to read charts, doesn't know how to take profits or stop loss, you don't need to worry about it. The AI does everything. So in this case, it's chosen ton, and it's chosen a stop loss of 9.64, sorry, a take profit of 9.64% and a stop loss of 4.86%. Okay, I've moved it there. So, and here it shows you the potential profit that you could make from that trade. Of course, remember, it's potential profit. The AI doesn't have a crystal ball. It is working based on the information that it has analyzed in the marketplace. And Chavez is making enhancements, and we're expecting this to have an 80% plus success rate. You can personalize you can personalize this by simply, if you look on lightning mode, so you've got these options up here. You've got lightning mode, you've got filters, and you've got risk factor. Okay. So if I open up lightning mode, then you can choose leverage. Okay. You can choose how much leverage you want. Leverage is basically borrowing money from the marketplace so that you can place a higher trade. You can set your minimum trade amount here. Remember, if you're using leverage, this will also increase your fees because you're borrowing from the market in order to place a higher trade, which means you'll make a higher profit. I've got mine set at leverage on 3. So just remember, if you're closing a trade manually, because it's, let me show you here. It'll be better if I show you. Let me close that. Whoops, didn't mean to do that. So if I click here, so you can see these trades are all in profit. So Filecoin, the second one down, is 4.67% up, which is 59 cents up. If I close that, I don't know what the fees will be on this. I don't see all the details. But if I close that, just because I see it's in green, then the fees on that, because I'm using leverage, may well be more than 4.5%. So it's better to let the AI do the trade, or have a look to see what your what's that little drop down do. So the drop down here can show you you've got what the percentages are but it doesn't show you exactly what the fees are on that. So you're better off to just let, the whole point of this is to let the AI do the work for you so that you're not losing anything or losing
So,
minimal amounts, making more profits than losses.
so the manual trade is AI assisted manual trading.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, that's a good way to put it. Yeah.
And where did you say you changed? Because I was looking at something else that keeps popping up to manual trade.
That's down here.
Yeah, circle that. Okay, that right there. Okay. And does that stop your bot trading?
No, it doesn't interfere with that.
Okay.
They're separate parts of the same platform, so it doesn't interfere. They don't interfere with each other. This is if you're the type of person who, even as an experienced trader, you can still, you can still open it up, and you can just look at the chart, and you can add filters on here. For example, let's have a look. If I click on the filters, you can see down here all the indicators. So you can turn on Bollinger Bands, which is this one here. I can turn on the Bollinger Bands. I can move the RSI. What does RSI stand for? I can't remember what RSI is now. MACD, I think, is moving average something or other. You can turn that on, and then you can see the indicators will be on the chart. Let's see if I can.
And Shiba Joe, where did you add the money to the manual trading? Is it where it says add?
Yeah, just at the bottom, click on the wallet. Just click on the wallet.
Okay.
And then just click deposit.
Okay.
And if you click
and
on
it'll
deposit,
tell you auto trading or
no, if you click on deposit here, then you click on Arbitrum, and then it'll give you your address. Remember, you must deposit USDC on the Arbitrum network, and the minimum deposit is $5. And remember, there is a minimum suggested is $12 because the minimum trade amount is $11, and there is a one-time $1 fee to set up the account when you deposit. Okay, so that's important to remember that. There is a little guide here as well, just to help you. Okay, to help you do that. What was your other question? Yeah, once you've deposited, it will show here.
could you circle it where you're pointing to here?
Hang on.
Okay.
Pen, there you go. It will show here in your USDC.
Okay, got it.
And then if you want to move it to your bot, then you click on the bot, which is this one here.
Okay.
And then you just click deposit, and it will move. You can see the $14 in my manual wallet, and it will just draw from there into the engine, and that's it. You don't need to do anything else. One thing I should add while we're here for everybody's benefit is if you are waiting to be whitelisted and you've been using the demo account, okay, if you're waiting to be whitelisted and you're in the demo account, if you look at the bottom of the screen, you can see there is only 4 icons. And that's because you are in demo mode. So if you want to know if you've been whitelisted, if you've bought your auto trading engine and you need to know, then all you need to do is click on the daisy, which is just there. Click on the daisy, and then click here, and that will switch you to real trading, take you out of demo and switch you to real trading. So you can see now you have this icon added, and that means you have been whitelisted. If you have this, your address has been whitelisted and you are ready to start using your engine. There you go. Back to you, Grace.
Thank you so much, Shiba Joe. That is excellent. We'll have to have you do that a couple more times whenever you set, so that we make sure we walk through that well as to how to be able to do both. That's fantastic. You can have fun manual trading, and it's reported that you can make more money manual trading depending on everything is all set. And noted also, Shiba Joe, that you are at the alpha flow. That's the risk factor that you have taken is alpha flow, which is the highest rank, which is equating to a $1,000 subscription in 3FO, correct?
Correct, yes.
All righty. Well, great. A lot of takeaways there. Manual trading. This is my big takeaway. Manual trading is available right there with your Rift account as you are having auto trading. And you see both of them are just working separately, but together, and you can reinvest both earnings, profits, right?
Yeah, of course. Once you've made a profit, you can use that profit to do more manual trading or reinvest into the auto trader.
Excellent. And now, big takeaway here today for you is the minimum amount of reinvestment is now $10. Used to be $1. Now it is $10 for reinvestment. And just a question, is that the minimum deposit into Rift yet? Do you know that has affected the minimum deposit?
No, I would imagine, and I can only guess, and it's really from a message that Lucky put into the group, that it's probably to if you've got thousands of people using the system reinvesting $1 or $2, then that is a great many more transactions. So perhaps that is to enable people to build up their profits.
Oh, for sure.
And to reduce the amount of transactions that are being processed through us on a daily basis. I don't know. I'm just speculating. It's just a possibility. I don't really know what's inspired the change from $1 to $10.
Oh, okay. Okay, great. But so just a big takeaway, make sure that you understand that and share that with your team. All righty. We will look forward to seeing you tomorrow, same time, same channel. And but right now, wish you the best of the rest of your day. Have it. Own it. It's yours. Thank you, Shiba Joe. Appreciate the presentation.
Thank you very much, Grace. Come and see us on US prime time at 7 p.m. EST time. Carl and I will be there, and we can do the same demonstration so you can all see. Thanks very much, everyone. Bye-bye.